3D fashion design is a powerful tool to see how a garment will look before it is cut and sewn. TUKA3D takes virtual product development beyond design and into true 3D fitting. With an engineered design process powered by TUKA-Tech's end-to-end fashion technology solutions, the 3D designer's creativity is backed up by smart technical fit. TUKA3D models are sculpted from 3D body scan data, capturing the correct measurements, shape, and posture of live fit models. TUKA3D models are animated with real-time motion simulation to analyze garment fit with movement. Once the 3D virtual model is created, the body shape is flattened to a 2D sloper pattern. The 2D sloper is a tracing of the unique curves and contours of the fit model's body, such as the shoulder slope, armhole, bust, waist, and hip. This sloper will become the master template for all future styles developed for this model. Sloper patterns are generated in TUKA-APM for automatic pattern making. Though pattern making is a craft historically passed down by artisans, today's computers can learn the logic of pattern making, so a person of any skill level can create beautiful 2D patterns. The model's measurements are entered into the sloper specification sheet, including seam allowance and grade rules. TUKA-APM generates a graded sloper pattern which is ready to drape in TUKA3D. The sloper pattern is added to TUKA3D from the TUKA design system. The pattern pieces are arranged around the 3D fit model and the seam stitching is defined. As the garment is draped, the 3D sloper fits the model like a glove. Next, she simulates actions performed during a live sample fitting. Real-time motion simulation is added directly in TUKA3D without the need for another 3D software. The sloper is analyzed in motion with tension mapping views in stretch and pressure mode and can be isolated to the warp and weft directions. X-ray mode applies transparency to the fabric surface to check the balance and ease of the garment. Any styles built from the sloper will fit correctly the first time. After the shapes of the fit model's body are captured in a 2D sloper pattern, the pattern maker only needs to change the ease or style lines rather than start with a new pattern or ill-fitting reference block. The pattern maker draws the style lines directly onto the sloper template and shortens or lengthens the piece to suit the new silhouette. After all adjustments are finished, the 3D operator simply updates the draped 3D sloper to apply the pattern changes for the new style. All changes made to existing pattern pieces are applied without resetting the entire 3D draping process. Only the new pattern pieces need to be arranged and stitched. Because the pattern maker used the 2D sloper pattern as a template, they do not need to spend as much time verifying the fit for the new style. Colorways can be applied by the 3D sample maker in TUKA3D or by a graphic designer in the Print Visualizer module of TUKA3D Designer Edition. The simulated garment brought into the Print Visualizer is a blank 3D canvas for prints, logos, or textures. Prints added from the material editor can be scaled on the 3D garment. Designers have a built-in Pantone color library for solids. Designers can take advantage of the Print Visualizer graphic integration if they prefer to create colorways in their favorite graphic design software. They simply create artwork on the flat pattern layout and apply the finished design to the 3D garment surface. The designer analyzes all colorways as a 3D storyboard. They can render the storyboard or individual 3D garments for presentations and sharing. 3D garments are shared to internal or external teams on TUKA Cloud, the web-based digital sample room that connects every person involved with virtual product development to one platform. The process is repeated for every style developed for a brand to maintain a consistent fit regardless of product category.